Hi guys, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a plantain bread recipe. Here you see a list of my ingredients, which I'll be leaving in the description box below. Just to point out a few. So let's get this started. Now first we're gonna whip the plantain. Now guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel but you watch my videos, please subscribe and share and leave a comment to let me know if you like my videos. Now see, we got it at the right texture. Look at it. There you go. Now we're gonna get the dry ingredients prepared. Here I'm gonna put the 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and baking powder, and you just want to mix that together. Just whip it together. Now guys, my oven is already being preheated, and this is not gonna take long to bake, probably 50 minutes to an hour. Now let's continue with the wet ingredients. Here I'm gonna add the butter, the sugar. I didn't go with a lot of sugar this time because I don't want it to be overly sweet, so I just use a little sugar. You want to whip that together until it's moist. Okay guys, then we're gonna add the eggs. I wanted to add one at a time, but you know the egg is that way, so I just add both. You wanna whip that and get everything combined together nicely. Now for those who might not want to use the egg, or don't like maybe a smell or how it, just tip a little lime juice in it. Oftentimes it might come out and have that kind of smell that people don't like, because if you don't eat the egg, look at that, nice, everything blended together. Now for the next step, tip a little vanilla extract. Okay, mix that in. So now guys, we're gonna add the plantain. Now if you want to add raisins to it, you can add raisins, peanuts, anything you wish to add to it. This is just a plain plantain bread. I had the plantains and I'm saying I'm not going to throw them out, so I decided to make a plantain bread. You want to whip that in, get it all combined. Now for the dry ingredients. I just want to make sure that everything is cooperated, so I'm using the whisk to just get everything mixed in. Now as I said before, I'm going to add the dry ingredients. I'm not gonna add all of it at once, just in moderation. That's about it. And I whip it in, fold it in. You can use your hand mixer if you wish. Now you want to add some milk. Want to whip that in. Now we're gonna add some more of the flour mixture. Ooh, a little spill. That happens when you're baking. You want to just fold that in. Add the rest of the milk. Fold it in. You get that nice texture. You can smell the ripe plantain, guys. It's so sweet. As I said, the plantain is ripe, so you know it have that sweet taste. So I didn't really add a lot of sugar to this recipe, guys. I'm trying to cut down on the sugar, which we don't normally consume a lot of sugar because we have the sugar until it hard. Sorry about that, till it hardens. Now I'm gonna grease my loaf pan. And then I'm gonna pour in the ingredients. Just the right texture. Now, as I said before, guys, you can add your whatever you wish to add to this dish. As you can see, I just make it as plain as possible. That's what I try to get out there with most of my video, guys. I just make my thing as plain as possible for you to follow along. Nothing hard. You just want to just get it in the corners. Now, as I said, I already preheated my oven. So one last look before you go in. There you go. So as I said, guys, 50 minutes to an hour. So when next you see me, I'll be showing you the finishing dish. Yes, guys, here we go for the moment of truth. You know, you have to test it with a skewer or a toothpick. Come out dry. So guys, I'm gonna leave it on the rack. I didn't even look at it. It's so moist. Guys, it's not even fully cool as yet. Hence you see it's kinda breaking apart. There you go, guys. I hope you love this plantain bread recipe or plantain loaf. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.